What is going on? Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. It's been a while since I've been able to do an appreciable amount of fishing. There's been some slightly unfortunate circumstances the past 2 months, and I just haven't really been able to go fishing. And the one time I was able to go fishing, it was a great day, but really only caught like 4 perch that were like this big while I was back home in Michigan. But we can't always choose what unfortunate circumstances we have to deal with or what unfortunate things and situations we find ourselves in. So we just got to roll with the punches. Anyways, that doesn't really matter now because we are out on a mission today, a fishing mission. We're back in the mangroves on a trail, and we're just going to walk through them, find openings like this, and cast around. Maybe if we get a nice spot to wait around, especially as the tide kind of goes out, we'll do that. But the mission is looking for your classic inshore fish, you know, snook, tarpon, redfish, you name it. I really don't care what we get on, but I'm already seeing fish blow up underneath the shade lines of the mangroves. I'm seeing bait around, so I have a really good feeling about this. So let's get right to fishing. All right, let's do it. I believe that's I don't know what weight that is, but it's a twist lock style hook with a little Slam Shady 2.0 on there. Something to keep us out of the sticks. I can still hit them with my rod, but something to keep us out of the sticks. And something that won't sink incredibly fast. I have lighter owner twist lock hooks that I probably will try later if we find that this is just, you know, sinking too fast or getting us in trouble. But we will work with this right now. Oh my freaking gosh, dude, I got smoked. Holy crap. And that tree was in the way, so that did not help me. All right, we'll try that again. I saw a few things kind of blow up over there, so maybe there's a little school of jack. Oh, dude, I got right on where I saw those fish. Okay. That's a fish right there. Oh, are you kidding me? He pulled off? Okay. Well, good signs all around, but let's keep one of these fish pinned for a moment or get them hooked. That's a fish. Oh my gosh, dude, what did I hook? Good head shakes. Really holding. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my goodness. All right, I'm not getting bullied by you. Brother hit like a freight train and started moving like one. You can't deny that these things definitely know how to put up a fight, even though they may not be what people go out and do this kind of stuff for. Nice big gaff top sailcat. Well, not that huge, but you know, I would say about average size. It's a cool fish. Honestly, I just think that dorsal fin's just awesome. So neat stuff. Let's get this slime weasel unhooked and back in the water here. He's got my line all nasty. Great. Thank you for playing, buddy. I will see you later. Or not. Maybe not. Don't come back. I mean, you want to see my line? If you're not familiar with these things, I mean, you probably are. But I mean, what a mess. But it's okay. We're on the board now. And I'm excited to see what else we can pull out of this place. Try another cast. Dude, we almost matched perfectly that first cast we had. And we got a hit, so let's really make this one count here. If we can get a fish. my goodness. See that right there? Tarpon just cruising by. Let me actually reel this in. There's a little small one on the end. There you go. Oh my. Oh my gosh. He had a go at it. He had a go at it. Oh my gosh. Maybe we'll get another shot there with that. I mean, he didn't think twice. I was like skimming that thing along the surface so I could get it in front of his face, and he just, as soon as I paused it in front of his nose, he was like, come to Papa. So, I mean, that was so sick. All right, I think we'll leave this spot as is. We got quite the trail to cover, and it's looking good so far. Hearing some activity down here. Hydration is key. Okay. Didn't get as far in there as I wanted to. Yes. Yes, sir. That's what I want. Oh my, tarpon out of nowhere, tarpon out of freaking nowhere. Holy smokes. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the brakes on him enough. It's a serious situation we got here. Oh my gosh, he's got me way under there. This is bad. Get out of there, buddy. Yes, please. Please get out. Oh my gosh, I didn't know we were gonna be doing this today. At least get over here so I can see a jump or something. He's got me on that branch and he's just going. Like that, bro. Oh, yes. Okay, we're free. We're free. We're free. We're free. He's moving this way. So I'm hoping he makes a circle and we get him in this area to the right of me. Or at least somewhere in the open so we can play him out. Oh, he's drifting back. Come on. Come on, back through there. Lord, please. Oh my. Well, he didn't get us stuck in that branch the first time. He's just got us on the branch, not in the branch. So I'm hoping he makes a circle around here. I don't know if you saw that flash when he came in and ate it, but this is not a little guy. Okay. We got him moving the way we want him to move, but that can only go so far. Let me see you, you beautiful fish. Let me just see you. Let me look at you. Easing him though, just easing him. He's definitely feeling like a little more dead weight than just straight up running. So let's see if we can get him moved here. Pretty good. Oh, brother. Not the other side. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Here we go again. Move back out of there. Oh, gosh. He went around that mangrove. No. Patience. 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 Yes. Thank you, Lord. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's a jack. Oh my gosh, it's a jack. I'm so sorry, guys. No wonder he wasn't jumping, and no wonder he hasn't frayed us off. See? Okay. Don't take any more inshore fishing tips from me. Anything you say on the internet can and will be used against you. Oh my gosh. Well, that's my PB Jack. Don't come off now, buddy. Okay, we got him. Oh my gosh. We have got old Sub Sammy right here. Okay. That tail's gonna cut me big time. Just gotta figure out what to do here. Mangrove Swamp is an unpredictable place. Never turn your back on it. All right, that's a PB Jack for me. I thought this was a tarpon. My bad. But that is a very, very nice Jack. Maybe like 8, 10 pounds? I don't know, I don't catch them this big very often, but dude, that is crazy. He's croaking. Say hello. Okay, never mind. Maybe got me a little too excited, but I mean, how can you not be stoked about a fish like that? All right, buddy. Shoot him off there. Get him moving. All right, yeah, he just took off. See that boil right there? Sick. Ooh, ooh. That was good. Tarpon just rolled right there. Man, that's cool. Is that a barracuda? Wait, why am I even casting at that thing, bro? He shot at it. Or he spooked, I don't know. They're just so crazy fast. He looked a little rough around the edges. I was wondering if there'd maybe be barracudas around here. That's fish. Man, he's moving in. I don't know how big this fish is. Doesn't feel incredibly huge, but he's also moving right towards me. We'll play him out. Be careful with him. Shoo! What do we got here? Another kitty. Another kitty. Yeah, I hear you, bud. All right. Oh, I don't know why I grabbed him like that. All right, we got another slime ball right here. Yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. All right, buddy. Back in with you. He slimed me. Now's the time where that tide's starting to move out. Slowly moving right now, but it'll probably speed up a little bit with the last hour or so of daylight we got. So we'll see if the bite with some of these sports fish start picking up a little bit. We'll see. It's been pretty good so far, man. It's been pretty good. New PB jack. Couple hard fighting but really slimy cats. Who knows what else we're gonna find, man. So far this exploratory outing has been full of surprises, so let's keep finding more of them. Something just came up at those little white baits right there. I don't know what it was. Gosh, dude. I think there's another jack. Okay, now we know what we're up against here, and it's not that big of a jack. Gosh, okay. All right. Hey, I got it right this time. Okay. Buddy old pal here. Settle down for a second. Yeah, chat it up. All right, another little Jack Crevalle. Not quite the size of the last one, but still super fun, man. Can't knock these guys. All right, right head first. Nice. I saw a few of them just kind of come up. Settle down there, bud. Settle down there. Oh, get me off of that branch. Oh, did he seriously take me around there? That's not even that big of a fish. That's just annoying. Oh, brother. The tree came with an ornament. Okay, pal. Oh gosh, why'd you have to do that? That's fun. Let's sort buddy out of this predicament here. I'm gonna grab him. Holy smokes, he tied that thing up like a present. All right, well, he doesn't deserve to have to deal with this. He's not even hooked in the mouth. Be gone. Why the smallest fish of the day was able to do that and not the 8-pound jack from earlier, no idea, but we'll be back, or I will be back when I get re-rigged and untangled. Definitely had to retie my leader after that mess. So we're working with the same hook, but I put on a little pink fluke instead, just to switch it up a little bit here. Oh, I hate when that freaking happens. Well, that really is a bummer in terms of the video. I just sight casted a nice little snook right here, about 18 inches long. And I guess my GoPro was accidentally set to time lapse. So I got a really goofy, sped up video of me catching that fish and talking about it, which is quite a bummer that I didn't get that on camera, because that was probably my favorite catch of the day, to be honest with you. But you know, we're gonna keep rolling with the little challenges here, and we're gonna keep moving. There's got to be some more snook around here. I mean, that guy, I flicked it in front of him and he just went at it. So let's keep looking. We're getting much lower on time, so we're on our way back now. And we're gonna just pick the spots that we've already hit apart once again and see what we can catch before we clock in. Oh my gosh, that was instantaneous. What the heck just ate? Oh gosh, that feels so heavy. Oh brother. Oh my gosh. What is this, dude? I don't know what this is, bro. Is it another jack or what? He's really holding. Oh my gosh. That's another jack. Oh my gosh, bro. Instant eat, dude. They're just on that school of bait right there, just eating it up. Okay. Okay, I think this one's like in between the first and second that we caught today as far as size goes. Holy smokes. A little bit bigger than the second one, not quite as big as the first. And now that we got a taste of that first big one, much more comfortable fighting these fish. Sometimes it's just all about just getting that muscle memory and feel and knowing what you're up against. Like seriously, if you think practice and fishing aren't related, you're thinking the wrong way. Okay, now he's just doing circles. He's upside down. Okay, buddy. Man, just fun fish, man. No doubt about it. Another beautiful fish. Took that thing down in half a second as soon as I threw it over to that school. Man, what a hard fighting fish, man. These guys are putting us to work today, even if they're not the fish I rattled off at the beginning of the video. Cool stuff. What is that, like jack number 4, jack number 3 was fairly hooked? Because that third one was actually hooked in the cheek, and that is definitely why he got me in those branches, because I couldn't turn his head. Like, having a fish properly hooked is very, very important for fighting them. Seriously. Well, that was cool. Now, should we do it again? Is the question. Maybe not. The sun goes down on another good day of fishing. Boy, oh boy, is it nice to be back out and putting a line in. It's been too long since I've been able to do an outing like this, and get on some fish. I got to see a bunch of awesome stuff today. A little tarpon blow up right at our feet. You got to see me go absolutely nuts with a big jack that I thought was a tarpon for a second. And that was a new PB, so let's freaking go. As well as a bunch of other cool nature stuff. Anyways, I just appreciate you guys watching. We're gonna get back into it. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more fishing, of course, because that's just what I like doing. But thank you for watching this one. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, peace. Wait a minute, that's not what I want. Oh, that's not what I want either.